On a happy Friday night. I got one more video for you guys. Check it out. I have not done my April BOXYCHARM box yet, and it's already April 22nd. I'm like, where is time gone? This is the Boxy Spring Revival box. I got my little card here. I'm going to dig in. So, first product from Juice Beauty. I like Juice Beauty. Juice Beauty is fun. This is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I always like a good mask. I'm actually going to try this. This is a $36 value. Let me see what this looks like. Pull this. Oh, wow. It's like a charcoal mask. It kind of looks like it might have charcoal in it. That's kind of interesting. I'm going to try this one out, though, as I got it all over my finger. Not good. Let me see what this has in it. I don't think it has charcoal in it, or if it's, yeah, bamboo charcoal. That makes sense. Okay, we're going to try that one out. I also got, is it Christoph Robin or Christopher Robin? I always say Christopher Robin, but I'm like looking, I'm like, is that Christoph Robin? I think it is. I like their hair products. This is the Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. It is a $39 product. This is why I get BOXYCHARM. What is BOXYCHARM now? I want to say it's like $27, $28 a month, but I never would buy a product like this unless I got it in the box. But I do like trying different like hair mists and stuff. Oh, this one does smell nice. If you like roses, you're going to like this one. Give my hair a little shine, maybe. Let me see. What does it say? It's a lightweight mist. It's a volumizer. Gives a little lift. I kind of like it. That's kind of nice. So I got that. Next up, I got from Item, I got the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. I'm excited about this. Like, you pull that off. You know how much I love getting mascara in my beauty boxes. It's why I get the beauty boxes usually, because I like to try different mascara. And these are full-size mascara for the price of the box, because I don't like keeping mascara more than like 3 weeks. Oh, I like that tiny little brush on there. That's kind of neat. I bet you get really good definition on your lower lashes. It's hard to put mascara on your lower lashes without making a mess. So I'm liking that. I also got from Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. This is a $22 value. Let's check this out. Oh, that's pretty. Little rose gold going on there, maybe? That's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. I'll have to try that one out. And then finally, we have a palette. This is the, what is this? Complex Culture Beauty. It's a bright eyeshadow palette, $30 value. Let me pull this out. Oh, I like the case. The case is pretty. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, this is really, really pretty. Look at these shades. These are gorgeous. So lately, I've been wearing a lot of browns. I do like to switch off different brands on the brown. This one's really pretty. I like metallics. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. I'm gonna do a swatch here. Oh wow, this is really beautiful and pigmented. Check that out. I like that. I also like this metallic rose. That is gorgeous. Kind of blend that in right there. Those go nicely together. And then I'm also liking this lighter one as like a highlighter. Let me put that one on there. Those three go together really, really nicely. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed with this palette. This is awesome. I don't think I've heard of this company. I believe it is vegan though. It is, oh, and it doesn't say vegan, it says animal test free. Oh, it does say vegan, cruelty free, vegan. So, yeah, this is a pretty good box this month from BOXYCHARM. I'm pretty impressed. I actually like everything in the box. Go figure, 5 for 5. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. We got that Bath & Body Works sale going on. I will be on talking about that. I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.